Hello again, my kids. How is your day? Okay, guys. For today's class, we will need this worksheet that you are seeing, a pencil, and eraser and colors, okay? Those things. The worksheet, pencil, eraser, colors, okay? What are we gonna do? We are going to make the cover page of our book. This unit of inquiry, we are going to make a book about cultures around Colombia. And we are going to fill the book with the information that you are investigated. Yes, remember that you already investigate what is culture. Now you have to investigate what cultures are around Colombia. Yes, and we are going to continue investigating some things about cultures in Colombia, okay? So today we are going to start with the cover page of our book, okay? So what we are doing first is that we are going to write the name of our book, right? So the name of our book is Cultures Around Colombia, okay? So you are going to write this title, Cultures Around Colombia, in your worksheet, okay? Cultures Around Colombia. Look at this. Colombia, you have to write it with an uppercase letter because it is a name, okay? So remember, the name of our book is Cultures Around Colombia, okay? So you are going to write it. So, when you finish writing the title, you are going to write here your name and your last name, okay? So, for example, as this is my book, I'm going to write my full name, Valentina Salazar, okay? As this is mine, I'll write my name. And you are going to write your name, okay? Remember, name, and last name, okay? When you finish writing, then you are going to paint this map and you are going to draw some things about culture, okay? Remember that the pictures that we already see, the topics that we have talked about culture, and you are going to draw topics about culture. Okay, guys? Bueno, chicos, entonces lo que vamos a hacer hoy es que vamos a hacer la portada de nuestro libro. Durante esta unidad de indagación vamos a crear un libro sobre las culturas alrededor de Colombia y lo vamos a ir llenando con las investigaciones que ustedes han ido haciendo, con las de cultura y las que van a seguir haciendo sobre la cultura en Colombia. ¿Listo? Entonces, lo primero que vamos a hacer es que vamos a escribir el nombre acá. El nombre de nuestro libro, que será Cultures Around Colombia, ¿ok? Luego de eso, ustedes van a escribir su nombre completo, acuérdense, name and last name, nombre y apellido, ¿ok? Y al final, ¿qué van a hacer? Van a colorear el mapa y lo van a decorar súper hermoso con cosas alusivas a la cultura. Entonces, pueden recordar las imágenes que hemos visto y las cosas que hemos dicho y que hemos hablado en clase sobre qué es una cultura y qué elementos incluyen las culturas. ¿Listo? Entonces, esa es la clase de hoy, es la actividad que vamos a hacer el día de hoy y ustedes me la van a mostrar el día de mañana, junto con la socialización de la investigación que hicieron sobre las culturas en Colombia. ¿Ok, guys? So, I hope you have a nice day and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye, kids. I love you.